Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you being here with me today. In today's video, we are going to be talking about lashes that I received in the mail. I think I've talked about them here before. No, I've talked about them on Instagram. They are called the Blinkifly lashes. I got a different style, so we're going to try those out today, along with a couple different other things that I got that actually got cut out in the last video. So I did just take a shower. Sorry about like all the gray. I am going to cover that up with root spray, and next week I have a hair appointment. Finally, the last hair appointment that I had got canceled because we had a bad snowstorm. So I am so excited to get a pedicure done, to get my hair done, and just all the fun things to make myself feel better. In today's video, I'm going to do my makeup with you because I am going to head out to church here in a little bit. So I want to get my makeup done before I go. I have a friend. He's called Bob. And I believe this is the corporate to the friend that I have. So that has to go back, and I will probably stop at Sephora today to take that back. See if I can find something else to try. So today I'm going to start with moisturizer. This is the Peter Roth Water Drench. If you guys have not tried this, you really should. Use this when I was oily, and now that I am dry, I still use it. My skin just like, see how it plumps everything up, but it also just doesn't sit on your skin. If you've tried the Clinique Moisture Surge, I feel like that's a good primer because it just sits on your skin and coats your skin, but this one will actually soak in. So I am going to let that soak in for just a minute. It just feels so wonderful. I am not tan right now. I have not done any tanning routine in a hot minute. So we are light. So we're going to use the e.l.f. Halo Glow. I think I've talked about this video. Actually, I have a video about this. I love this stuff. I love this more than the Charlotte Tilbury, and it's like $11. The only tricky part about is finding your color match. I feel like when I'm a little bit more tan, I don't match to this, which is fine. I know I have shade light medium. I think it's 3. I need the one above for when I am tan. So we're gonna take this and I'm just gonna slap it on my face, my old good trusty face. So I was thinking about what I was gonna talk about during this video. If you don't relate to this, that's okay, but maybe you'll relate to part of it. Being lonely in a relationship, or being lonely when you're single. I was married. I was very lonely in my relationship. At the very end, I was in a relationship, but I didn't feel like I was being heard. I was feeling extremely lonely. He was working lots of hours and doing his own thing, which is totally fine, but times where you need to do stuff with your wife, and that was just not happening at all. So I'm going to take the ColourPop. So now that I'm single, I'm going through this stage of really not dating anybody, because that's a choice that I made, is that I wanted to take time off for myself. But I find myself being very lonely. And since I do work from home, I don't get a lot of social interaction, which I think is part of my problem. I need to find ways to get some social interaction, and today I'm going to church. I mean, I need to get out of the house, and I like to go to church, so that's what I'm gonna do. I am thinking about starting a gym so that I can meet some people. I really need that right now. So I don't know if you're in this stage in your life. I am in my 40s, single, which I never thought I would be. My face looks extremely light, but it's not. Hold on. Let me see if I can turn this down. Does that look a little bit better? I am in my 40s. I didn't think I would be single when I was 40, but here I am. Grown a lot. I can say dating has shown me a whole bunch of stuff about myself and what I do and what I do not want. This is e.l.f. putty. And I feel like if you're dating, great, you need to find what you want in a partner. Now, what I want in a partner is someone who's kind, considerate, thoughtful. Is like so hard to find. Like, I don't need to be number one in your life, but I need to be a part of your life. I don't know if that makes sense. In this stage of the dating apps, people just don't follow through with anything. Either you're ghosted or you're ghosted. So it's difficult. So that's why I decided to like take some time off and take some time off for myself to do what I want to do. I'm not going to focus on being with somebody right now. If somebody comes along, great. This is the, no, actually, we need to try this. Beauty and happy is amazing. This is what got cut out of my last video. Having somebody is great and all, but you need the right person. So yeah, see how that just, oh my gosh, that is, I love that. You just need a very, very, like, not even, it's a great spring color. I was going on a lot of dates, like, I don't know, 6 months to a year ago. Still wasn't finding what I wanted. So I decided just to focus on myself. It's frustrating. If you're in your 40s, I'm going to take this as a topper. If you're in your 40s, it's extremely frustrating. You would think that 40 and 50-year-old men won't act like kids, but they do. I mean, I dated one younger guy, and that was, I don't relate with him at all. That was a horrible experience. And I like to date older guys because I feel like I relate more with them than I do with the younger guys. If you find yourself in your 40s and you are alone, it's okay. Find things that you love to do, whether it's painting. I take my dogs for a walk like a lot, weather pending, because I do live in a cold city. So now that it's starting to get a little bit warmer, we can go to the park and stuff. And hopefully I can meet, you know, some people there. Sorry, I didn't know that that was giving off a reflection. Let me just put some gloss on. And this is a NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline. It's not as bright as I would like. I will probably change it when I go downstairs. Why does my blush look so, like, on camera? It looks very, like, very bright, but it's not. So these Blinkifly lashes, I've been wanting to try. So I am on their subscription. I did get the glue and the sealer also, but I already have an open one, so I need to find that. Today we are going to use, this is a Seal and Glow self-adhesive. Now I recommend the one that is not the one with the brush, because I don't think it lasts that long, at least on me. You can try it. I do have the one with the brush here. I'll show you here. This is the one with the brush. It's easier to apply, but it doesn't stay as long. So it just depends. Want them for the night, then you can use that. I got the Dainty, and I love how this is wrapped. Everything can change in the blink of an eye. I love that little saying. I love how it's packaged. These aren't going to be as dramatic as the last ones that I've had. I had the classic and I had the one that are super volume that I did not like because they were so long for my eye. These I think range from 10 to 13. I'm going to take, ooh, this one came out. The band on these are so nice. They're very, see that? I don't know if you can see that. Very, very light and flexible. Look at my hand. I don't know if you can tell, but like I am peeling. You'll see how like I didn't put it on the waterline. It's actually on the lash. These are going to be very natural and very pretty. These might be my favorite right now for like an everyday lash. Now came out with a new lash. It's called the Everyday Lash. So I may try those. It says they are in between the Dainty and the Classic. My tweezers are getting a little wonky here. Okay, what do you guys think? I know I have some cleanup to do. I'm going to let them sit for a minute. I'm going to pinch them together, but very, very light. I'm really impressed by these lashes. I think I might have found the lash that I like from like my everyday. Look at my finger. Take the Seal and Glow. And we're just gonna, this takes out the stickiness. I do go on both sides. Here we go. This one lash is bothering me. I'll have to mess with it a little bit more, but let me do my hair. And I gotta get out of here soon, so. Let me do my hair and I'll come back. Okay, so this is the final look. I threw a couple curls in my hair. Nothing too crazy. And yeah, I love the lashes. So let me know what you think. If you like this type of video, love it if you would like and subscribe to this channel. And I will talk to you guys the next time. Mwah.